In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to text in Constant Contact. Let's get started by opening your email campaign in Constant Contact. From your account dashboard, head to your campaigns area and select the draft or campaign you want to work on. This brings you into the editor where you can make changes that will appear exactly as your subscribers see them. Give the page a second to load so all the editing tools are available. Next, click the text block you want to edit. This could be a paragraph, a call out, or a footer note, anywhere you want readers to be able to click through. When you click the block, you'll see the formatting toolbar appear. That toolbar is where we'll turn plain text into a link. Now, highlight the specific text you want to make clickable. Choose wording that clearly tells people where they're going, like a product name, a resource title, or a clear call to action. Descriptive text helps readers trust the link and improves accessibility for screen readers. With your text highlighted, click the link or hyperlink icon in the toolbar. It typically looks like a small chain link. This opens a dialog where you'll enter the destination for your link. If you don't see the icon at first, make sure your text is still selected and that you're in the correct text block. Paste the URL into the link field and save the link. Use the full web address, including HTTP or HTTPS, to ensure the link works properly. It's a good idea to copy the URL directly from your browser to avoid typos. Double check that you're linking to the correct page and that the page is live and publicly accessible. After pasting, confirm the change and close the dialog. You should now see your text formatted as a hyperlink in the editor. Before sending, preview and test the hyperlink. Click preview to see how your email will look on desktop and mobile. Then, use the test send feature to email yourself or a colleague. Open that test email on at least one device, click the link, and make sure it takes you to the right place quickly and without errors. If anything looks off, like a missing HTTPS, a redirect you didn't expect, or a typo, go back to the editor, fix it, and test again. That's it. By opening your campaign, selecting the text block, highlighting your anchor text, adding the link, and thoroughly testing, you'll ensure your readers can click with confidence and reach exactly what you want them to see.